The black tuning spot, known as the syahi, is applied by hand. It requires multiple layers to produce the tabla's signature sound. The tabla is tuned by adjusting the leather straps. The wooden blocks are moved until it produces clear musical notes. The tabla is tuned